Hello everyone, welcome to online computer classes. This is Mansi Mukherjee, your computer teacher. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for new notification. Let's start. Class 8. Let's continue our topic chapter 5, List and Tables in HTML5, part 3. In previous session, I have told you about the ordered and unordered list. In this session, we will apply CSS in those lists. Now, what is CSS? First of all, we have to understand this. What is CSS? Cascading Style Sheet. From the name, it is clear that it is going to give some style to our web sheet. It is the language that is used to style an HTML document. It was invented by Haken William Lee on 10th October 1994. At that time, Lee was working with Tim Berners-Lee. Who was he? You remember? He invented the HTML. Now, why are you going to use CSS? Can't we give style through simple HTML documents? It allows us to make a list look attractive. Right? I think the better understanding of CSS when I will show you the web page after applying the CSS. Let's go to our Notepad text editor and then I'll show you the web page. Everyone, please now pay attention. I have created an unordered list. Okay. Simple unordered list, and here I have not applied any CSS that we were discussing in that. So, first of all, I'll show you how the simple HTML text is written and how we can apply some styles or some coloring in that sheet. So these are normal text, HTML head, title, unordered list. Head has been closed and it is an unordered list. How we know? Because of UL tag we are using. We have closed. So let's see the output. You save it. You know how to save with any name and .html. Look here. Look at this page first. Fruit name. My dear student, please see here. I have given the heading fruit name that I have enclosed with h1 tag. In my previous session, I have not used the heading tag. You can apply, giving the heading, you can use h1 tag and it has been closed. So let's see the output. Fine, this is an unordered list. Fruit names are there and the normal text. Now, I will show you how this becomes different when we apply CSS to our text. We can do change the fruit name color. It's blue now. We can make it different, and this list item can be of different color. Our background can be of different color. So this kind of activity can easily be done with the help of CSS, cascading style sheet. Let's do that. Now look, everyone. Body, how I have used CSS in my normal text. Body style equal to background. Please, you have to take care of the syntax. How I have written the syntax. Background, color pink. After that h1 style. H1 is for giving heading, right? In normal, it is not possible to give different color to the heading and list items. But here, how it's possible? See, style equal to color red. Please, my dear student, take care of the syntax. Only thing you have to keep in mind the syntax. And body style, h1 style. That's it. Very simple is this. CSS not is something difficult or something extraordinary we are applying. Just a simple word we are using and our CSS being applied. Let's see how. Save it. Is it clear? Background color has been changed. See, heading is changed and this text color is, list item is color change. So this is the usefulness of CSS. With the normal text, it's not possible. Now, I want कि my fruit name should be of red color and the list item I don't want black. I want some different color for the list item. Okay, let's do it. Let's try. Is it possible? Style equals to color. Which color? Suppose I like blue. So I write blue. Clear? Now let's see the output. Save it and let's see the output. Look here. This is red color and this is blue color. Normal HTML, this is not possible. This is only possible with CSS. Now let's make a page with the ordered list, for an ordered list, right? Only the thing we have to change is wherever UL tag is there, we have to write OL tag. That's it. Clear? Let's save it. And now see the output. See here. Okay, I have to change. See here, this is ordered list, fruit name, and by default it is taking 1, 2, 3, 4 format. Is it interesting? I hope it's interesting to you. So my dear student, I hope things are clear to you. Thank you and have a nice day. And also in next session we will start more tags and we will apply more CSS to our web page.